Just got back from Ibiza, still look dead, but what an amazing week with my friends. We had a lot of fun. What also was fun, the trades that I took. Plus 22k on this trade alone. And we took much more. And can tell you, it was amazing. You can follow all my trades for free in my free Telegram. Just click the link below this video. But that's not why you're watching this video. You watch this video because you know I'm very good in predicting the markets. And I told you in the last video exactly what was going to happen. And it happened. Bitcoin broke out and today the price of Bitcoin is at 122,000. Crazy. In this video, I'm going to exactly tell you what you can expect for the following weeks. Let's dive into the charts right now. Yes, okay, so let's dive directly into the chart. And wow, we did it again. We called it in the video. The bottom here, we went up, called the top, and again posted the video 2 weeks, 3 weeks ago. The moon back is coming. And look what happened, because I told you the bull flag was so clear. Again, we're having market update, financial markets, insiders, and crypto. What is my alpha that I found? Nasdaq and S&P are showing bullish signs. Then it means that the rest of the overall market will show bullish signs as well. You think, of course, Robert, what are you saying? But there's something different this season than last season, and that is that we have now publicly traded stocks on the Nasdaq or S&P, which are 100% correlated to crypto. MicroStrategy, IBIT, Coin, Ethereum, BlackRock ETF, Circle. Now, and what I can see, if I see bullish signals on the Nasdaq and the S&P, and I see also bullish signals on MicroStrategy or IBIT. IBIT is, of course, the BlackRock Bitcoin ETF. Then I know that someone in Wall Street will already have the insider information that they're going to push the price of the crypto market, they're gonna push the price of Bitcoin. The Bitcoin ETF of BlackRock is the most profitable ETF product of BlackRock in their whole history. Don't you think yourself that they are doing everything in their power to push the price of Bitcoin to attract more investors into their ETF? Of course. So when you have a pattern of IBIT, which we are seeing here, and you see such a clear bull flag on the last high, and you see that the volume is rising, then you know, okay, together with the financial markets, they're positive, it's gonna break out. Now, this resulted that my altcoins have made a huge gain in the last few weeks. Just let's have a look at Aave. I called them in the first video on this channel. If you're not subscribed yet, just do it. Look, boom, only went up. CRV as well. Oh, CRV, amazing. Also, if you not have this coin, if you look at this chart, this is the chart that you want to see. I'm expecting it to break out, maybe even this week, next week. Then the next resistance is around 85 cents. Then we have for the first time the 200 MA around one, let's say $1, and then it will go to $7 or higher. Now, that are the trades that you want to take, of course. This is something that you cannot forget yet, because have a look. This is SRM Entertainment. And where is all the bullish momentum coming from currently? It's coming from that publicly traded companies are buying Bitcoin or Ethereum to put in a strategic treasury. This company is SRM Entertainment. It's a empty stock on the Nasdaq, and it has been bought by Justin Sun, one of the most richest person in the crypto space. He's the owner of Bitensor, the token TRX, Tron, and they're going to build a treasury of Tron tokens into this stock, into this publicly traded stock SRM, and it's gonna be called Tron Incorporated. Now it still has a market cap of 115 million, but they already publicly announced that they're gonna buy for more than 200 million of Tron into this stock. So this is a no-brainer. It is a no-brainer. Also, if you are in my private group, I gave you this alpha, which was very clear as well. Okay, everyone is bullish on Ethereum since last week, but let's say everyone is bullish on Ethereum. What you can do, and maybe this is the alpha of, of this YouTube video, is that publicly traded stock, Sharp, SBET, you know that they have a lot of Ethereums because their treasury is Ethereum in this stock. And then you just go to Finance, Yahoo. We do it again. You go here to SBET, SharpLink, and then you go to option chain, options. And basically you take an option in the future, which is October, and then we went to 1250 because the price was at that time was around 1250. The price of an option on this stock was 390. And to buy an option means that you buy the right to buy in the future, October the 17th, 100 shares of SharpLink. So I buy the option that I can buy in the future, October the 17th, 100 options for the price of 1250. And the price that I have to pay for it is 390. So I have to pay 390 to get the right to buy 100 shares on October the 17th. It's very simple. Again, if I pay 390, which was the price of this option, then I get the right to pay to buy 100 shares of SharpLink for $12.50 on 17th October. But what you know, of course, is that this price will increase heavily if the price of Ethereum goes up. I told you in the YouTube video the price of Ethereum will go up. Here, have a look. What happened. The price went finally to the 2500 of Ethereum. It was 9 weeks it couldn't break the 2500, and last week it finally break. Now, okay, then you know that the share of SBET, of course, will make a huge gain, more than 100%. It was $9, and now it even went to $30. And then you buy the option to buy in the future 100 shares of it for 1250, and it was 390. So let's say 4 8 8 12. Yeah, so we made over four times four around this. So while Ethereum only raised with $500, how much percent? Hey, and my brother, I'm sorry for the English. I'm not. I didn't went to school. I didn't learn it or anything. I'm just very good in finance. I'm doing this every day for the last 17 years, whereof, since 2016, professionally crypto trading. So try to listen what I say because there is huge alpha every time in a video that I have dropped. But Ethereum only plus 18%, yet I made 400%, or let's say 350% on the gain of Ethereum. What did I do? I knew that the company SharpLink is the number one company that is buying Ethereum heavily as a strategy as a treasury, and that I can leverage it by buying an option to get the access, to get the right to buy 100 shares of it in October. Now, that is how I made 350% on the Ethereum ETF. Now, and for now, it's very simple. We just had a massive run, and we just going to wait now what is going to happen. And you already see it here in front of you, very clear. Okay, June 22, we go. This is the trend. The trend broke on February. Also, the 200 MA broke. It is weekly candles. We went down. So we are still in a bear market. We are still in a bear market because the trend has broken. Now we have a retest of the resistance. And I want to first see now if we can break the resistance or not. Because otherwise, we first gonna do this before we go up. So don't get too much FOMO. Yes, you have to be heavily long, and you would be already now in big profits. So a little pushback is not a problem at all. But first, for Ethereum, you want to see to break the resistance, and then we can be bullish again. Let's have a look together on the monthly. How's the monthly looking? Now, also the monthly is looking very good. The monthly is looking very good, and we just want to see the monthly close above this red candle, which means an engulfing candle, which means that we're going to go much higher. And I expect that for this bull run, we're going much higher, and that we're going even to 8,000 or 12,000. So that would be a huge increase, and we're gonna see it soon because we not have much time anymore before the final resistance is coming, and then we will break it, and we will break it hard, and we're gonna make a lot of money, my friend, a lot of money. Also, the total market cap way too bullish. So yes, I do expect that Ethereum will break the resistance. Have a look. We called it. We called it. I get so enthusiastic from this. Look, the bull pattern, the bull flag, bam, breakout, a little bit of pushback right now, and then we will continue much higher. And what is the alpha that expect for this bull season is that we're going to a 10 trillion total dollar market cap, a total market cap of 10 trillion, whereof Bitcoin will have a dominance of 30, 40, or 50%, because of course you're gonna have this alt season. Also, we finally saw this bearish divergence on the Bitcoin dominance. Therefore, I expect that we're finally going to see Bitcoin dominance going down, and then I think that we go to let's say 35% or maybe 40%, somewhere here, because you always have an alt season. And 40% of $10 trillion market cap is 190,000 for Bitcoin. If we go to a 50% market cap, which is around here, which is like indefeatable to my opinion, then you have a Bitcoin price of $10 trillion, which is already insane. $10 trillion with 50% is 240,000 per Bitcoin. So please don't make yourself crazy when everyone is calling for 1 million per Bitcoin when the prices are at 180,000 or at 240,000. Don't become crazy, just sell your bags. But I will definitely let you know when to sell your bags. Okay, this video, just a little recap what happened. We are in complete bullish momentum currently, and if I see a new option, I will let you know in the free Telegram channel. So use the link. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe and let me know in the comments what you think about this video. See you.